Welcome to our tutorial on how to smoothly exit a conversation on Twitter using your PC. Let's dive into the simple steps to help you manage your interactions effectively. To start, locate the conversation you wish to leave and click to open it. This will allow you to access the details and participants involved in the discussion. Next, click on the information icon within the conversation. This will provide you with additional options and settings related to the conversation. Finally, from the menu that appears, select Leave Conversation. By choosing this option, you will gracefully exit the conversation while ensuring that you no longer receive notifications or updates from it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily control your engagements on Twitter and customize your online experience to suit your preferences. Taking charge of your conversations on Twitter empowers you to curate your interactions and focus on meaningful connections. Don't hesitate to utilize the Leave Conversation feature to streamline your social media experience. That concludes our guide on leaving a conversation on Twitter through your PC. Implement these steps to enhance your Twitter usage and engage more purposefully with your network. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable tips and tutorials.